You are going to love the 2016 Range Rover. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, air suspension, ambient lighting, rear fog light, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, cargo area light, compass, trip odometer. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.